Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about Bitcoin chart today. So let's stay tuned. As you can see here, Bitcoin progression, very bullish as our sponsor today. This video is sponsored by Mitrade. Immerse yourself in a seamless trading experience and explore more than 400 plus financial market with CFDs. Regardless of the market directions, discover great trading opportunities with every fluctuations. Enjoy zero commissions, competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and fast and reliable order executions with Mitrade proprietary trading platform. You can enjoy and trade hundreds of hot market right now. You can also monitor live market trends, view trading analysis, and check the latest economic news in real time. Access different types of charts on the go with the ability to apply drawing without hindering your trades at all. So start trading with Mitrade today by signing up using my referral link below. Coming back to here, Bitcoin versus USDT. For the past few days, Bitcoin has been rising like crazy from 25,000, 24,800 all the way to 30,000 within a few days. That's crazy, right? What really happened? But before I talk about what really happened, let's go into the chart pretty quickly. As you can see here, based on technical analysis, if you draw the resistance line here, the zone, which is here and here, the support, you're able to see the current price right now are trying to break through this 30,800, which is a good thing. Why? The moment it surpassed this 30,800 or 31,000, then it will float around this 32,000. Why 32,000? If you scroll all the way back, you were able to see that there is a minor resistance area right around this area. So in order for it to break through, it must first surpass this. I believe this candlestick will try to touch this, go over, and then try to to float around here to have a better decision making whether to go up or go down. But if it really go up, then it will go all the way to probably 36,000 around this area, which is a pretty not bad situation. But how can it support, how the fundamentals news can support, then we have to find out later on. But the chances of going down is also pretty high. Why? Because you can see here, there's a zigzag. 1, 2, and right now you can see here, wait, let me drag all the way here, and you're able to see 4, 3, 4. See, the chances here going all the way back down is crazy high. And you can see the overbought area, very high right now, around 70, I assume, yeah, 70. So the chances of going down to create a market corrections, if the market corrections falls around this area, then I would think it would be fine, around, I don't know, 29,000, floating around here, and then try to break upwards again. But how can this, like the Bitcoin thing, why suddenly it just rise all the way up? Let's look at fundamental news. Let's go with this. Bitcoin hit 6-week high as crypto initiative speed up. Bitcoin climb since May, the largest as much as 3%, traded around 28,000 right now. Now it's about 30,000. And you can see crypto investor has drawn assistance from the start of digital asset currency EDX market, backed by firms including Citadel Securities, Fidelity Digital Assets, Charles Schwab Corporations. So separately, BlackRock and WisdomTree has also applied in quick successions to launch spot US Bitcoin exchange. Can you see this? This is a good news. This is also a good news. This move, gloom caused by the US Securities and Exchange Commission crypto crackdown, including lawsuit against exchange like Binance and Coinbase and more. So SEC again harder, WisdomTree is trying to again for permission to start in US Bitcoin ETF after rebuff in the past. You can see here, US is trying to come up with their own exchange. Good news. Again, same thing. I think that BlackRock, the largest asset management with 8.5 million trillions under management of end of 2022, filed an application of June 15 for the Bitcoin exchange ETF. Bullish, very bullish. If this works, definitely Bitcoin could surge even higher. And as you can see, Bitcoin has been trading 30,000 above right now, and you can see BlackRock cryptocurrencies ETF plans leave Bitcoin. These are some of the good news. And this good news could potentially push the price even higher. If things goes well, probably the chances of going back up is very high. But so as a user standpoint or as a trader standpoint, I think this will be the very safe, area right now to hold and to wait what's gonna happen next. If let's say something bullish around the corner, then this would actually rockets up all the way, like nobody business. But right now, it's just staying around this resistance area, this zone. For me, if I were you, I will wait. I will not do any trading here unless you have the balls to do a short position all the way here from here. Because if you do short right now, the price might go up 32,000. Then you might have the chances of getting liquidated if you put a stop loss around this area. But let's say if it touches 32,000 this area and it's stuck around this area or it floats around this area, then the chances of going down should be very, very high. It's up to you. But for me, I would just wait because there's a gap here, and also there's a huge gap here for taking profit. If I were you, I would definitely do a long here previously if I have a chance to, because you know that this is one of the best support area, best entry area to do a long. But coming back to here, right now if you want to do a long, it's a bit too risky. Why? Because like I mentioned, the chances of going down is also very high. If you do a long here, then your chances of stop loss will be super. You see the gap here is super huge. Unless you are willing to risk that stop loss, the amount of dollars here, over amount of dollars here, which is still a good ratio, but I would not try to do that. Unless it rebounds back, then I do a long here. Or probably I'll do a short here, right? Both ways works, like I mentioned, perpetual swap, both ways work. But if you are a spot trader, definitely I would say that if you are planning to keep cryptocurrency long term, any numbers, any amount, I think Bitcoin is still very, very cheap if you are planning to keep long term. Alright, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.